So I'm about to take a tour of this house. She's going to show me a quick tour, what the rooms look like, where they sleep, bathroom, and so on.
Couscous?
Couscous.
Couscous, yes.
Oh, today's Friday.
Yeah.
Couscous.
Couscous.
Oh, okay.
I mange couscous.
Okay. And then this is tea, and this is Moroccan plate, Moroccan Berber plate.
Yeah, this Moroccan.
Wow, okay.
Come here. This is my house.
This is a guest room, right?
Yeah.
This is big. And this is you over here, Berber.
Yeah, Berber in the
dress?
Riyadh. Photo in the Riyadh.
Got it.
Yes, looking here. Here.
That's really cool. And this is Berber
Berber.
Atlas dress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here. This is a room in my father. My father sleeping here.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So that's a bedroom.
Come here.
Damn.
This is a small salon.
Okay, small living room.
Yeah, this is big salon.
Big salon over here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
1 salon, 2 salon, 3 salon.
Yeah.
For what though?
Come here. The shower
It's big.
is big.
And you have washer over here
Yes.
for clothes.
Shower and
What is this? Oh, to
yeah.
This is Berber couscous.
Berber couscous.
This is huge. Look at this, guys. I was not expecting this at all. Really hot. Okay.
Come here. Lucky.
The view.
Looking here.
What's that?
Yeah.
Mountain?
Yes.
I see.
No, it's the animal.
Animal farm.
This is coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah. Here. This is for me.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Oh, for garden.
Yeah.
So you plant tomato?
For here.
So we got a river here, and a lot of people wash their clothes to get their drinking water. Okay.
صباح كيف درتي؟ بخير.
Hello.
زين.
Oh, wow.
اهلا كي دايره؟
هاي انا توحشت هذه
ياك.
Yeah. What's up?
بكم
Yeah.
لا
Whoa. Loads.